पेज खोल के ना शेयर कर दे। Well, hello and good evening everyone. I think I'll just wait for you all to join in, and in the meanwhile I'll just share as well the live video. I request you guys also, if you join in, please share the live video. Okay, I have 3. Yeah, people are joining in now. So let's just share this video. Copy link. Just let me share it once on FB also, and then I'll come to you. Okay. Well, hello. Hi, Archana. Hi, Charu. How are you all, guys? Okay. So, here we are with the new release. Papers packets. Hi, Surbhi. Hi, Shifali ji. Hi, Sudha. Hi, Sunita. I'm good. Thank you so much. Hi, Urvi. Okay. So let's start with the new release. I have a mega release this month. The dies. There are 13 dies to be released this month. Hi, Swati ji. Hi, Rinki. I'm good. How are you? So, first of all, the papers. I have come up with the new cardstock. New cardstock colors, beautiful colors this time. पहले वाले भी बहुत सुंदर है दो, but these are different and very pretty. Okay, so here's the first color. This is cornflower blue, 250 GSM imported cardstock, very high quality. And this time the cardstock prices have really increased. So now the cardstock prices for the new ones, these are 225 rupees. Hi Lina. Hi Lovely. Okay, so this is the cornflower blue, and there are two ranges of cardstocks actually this time. This is 225 range. This is lilac color, beautiful lilac color. I love this color. Then we have a canary. Sorry, ये थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया. This is a canary yellow. It is a beautiful. I think it is looking different on camera, but it is a little on orangish stitch. It is not this bright. It is not haldi yellow. It's very beautiful yellow. It's looking different on camera right now. Okay, I'll just open the white light if it looks different. No, it's looking the same. Okay. Hi, Abhaji. Then this is a beautiful turquoise color. It is teal color, vibrant teal. Very beautiful color, if you can see. Then I have a lime green color, beautiful lime green. It is not a parrot green, it is a lime green color. It is looking again different on camera. Then this is a garnet maroon color. It's garnet maroon. Then I have two of the premium colors. This is a hot pink color. It is not the local magenta color available in the local market. It is a very beautiful, very vibrant pink color. This is a next range. This paper was pretty expensive, and this is coming out to be 325 rupees a pack, I think. I'm not very sure. मेरे को website पे check करना पड़ेगा क्या pricing है. And this again, violet color, beautiful violet color. These two are premium range. These are imported cardstocks and very high quality, 250 GSM. And these are a little expensive, but The colors are totally worth it. Okay, and these all are 225 only. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. These are 225 each, and 2 premium colors, hot pink and violet. I just called for 2 shades right now because I didn't know how pricey you will find it or what. So only 2 colors I have tried with because I wanted these 2 shades. Okay. So these are the 8 cardstocks which I have launched this month. They're already uploaded on the website, so you can watch. Okay. And now let's move on to the dyes. Are you all excited? Show me some love, some excitement. Are you all ready? Yay, Ricky, thank you. Okay, so the first dye, thank you word dye with shadow. Look at this. It's a very pretty dye. Thank you word dye with shadow. This is priced at only 400 rupees. Then next is Best Wishes dye with shadow. Who asked me for Best Wishes dye? Someone was messaging me continuously. Mansi, Best Wishes dye kab aa rahi hai? When is it coming? So this is the Best Wishes dye. Very appropriate sizes of the sentiments. You can use it on the cover like this. You can use them separately, lengthwise as well. Both of the words can be used separately as well. So I'll show you both the die cuts together. Look at this. प्लीज रिवर्स द कैमरा दी. यार मैं कैमरा रिवर्स करूंगी ना, मुझे पूरी सेटिंग चेंज करनी पड़ेगी, अभी नहीं कर सकती मैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द 2 sentiment dyes which we have come up with this month. Okay, shall I just put it back in the packet? The second dye, look at this. This is the Jaimala dye. Should I show you the cutouts? This dye is also with the cover. Look at this. Can you see the intricacy of the dye? Can you see the debossing done on the dye? Look at this. I'll show you on a matte paper as well. Look at this. If you can see. I hope the camera can do justice. देख रहे हो ये पूरा debossing का. I could have made it shadow also, but I wanted the impressions to come. And इस dye का ना, I have a print also. I will be uploading that also by tonight. Look at this. This is a print which this dye cuts absolutely perfectly. This was the inspiration to make the dye. And look at this, debossing इस पे भी हुआ है. Very beautiful. And इसका ये print भी मैं इसका sheet निकाल दूंगी. And these are the shadows. These are plain dyes. These come in shadows. So you can use it like this as well. Okay. These can be used it like this, or you can use it with the printed Dulha Dulhan as well. Like this. ये perfectly this sits on this. Okay. So this is our die number 3. गिनते जाओ 13 डाइज हैं. And उसके बाद there is a inspirations. There are inspirations as well. Okay. So the third die. Hi auntie. So the third die for today is this. This is the Sparkle Burst die with medallion. So with medallion means there are 3 dies basically in this set. This is the outer part. Then there is a circle die, and then there is a medallion in between. this. So I'll show you how the die is. It is one part. This is a circle. Then this medallion cuts in between the paper. So you can use it like in between the paper to create a background, or you can use these two circle and the die together to form something like this. This will cut out. Okay. So this is the cutout. I'll show you on a white background. Look how intricate the die is. Can you see the intricacy of the die? And it cuts like butter. Trust me, एक से दूसरा roll मुझे करना नहीं पड़ता machine में. And this is the center of the die. This is the medallion. This is also a very versatile this thing size. It is, I think, 1.5 inch. Yeah, 1.5 inches. And see, and these are priced very economically. This die is Sparkle Burst, 650 rupees for 3 dies. Guys, एक तमीज का टॉप नहीं आता आज का 650 रुपए में. So this is our third die. Let's move on to the fourth one. Fourth one is, how can a collection be complete without the laces? Though those are my favorite things. बहुत हमेशा my hand goes on a lace. So the lace. Here comes the cover. First of all, this is the lace. Something very different this time. Look. And this is a 3-way modern lace. And why is it 3-way? It cuts in between the paper. You can create a background with it. Look at this, how beautiful this looks. It cuts as a shadow. Second way. The whole lace comes out. Third way. So 3-way die. 3-way modern lace die. And easily you can create a... मैंने इसमें क्या किया है? I've just cut in between the paper. And then I have 2 laces. Just a moment. And I can just place it like this and my envelope is almost ready. I don't need anything else on this. See how pretty it looks? Okay? So this is something very different. This kind of a lace is very different this time. So this is our... कौन सा हो गया है number? नहीं, fifth भी नहीं है, 6th होगा ये. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 हो गई ना. अब 6th die. Let's move on to the 6th die. The 6th die again is a 3-way die. 3-way border die. And what a beautiful border this is. Look at this. See? How pretty is this? This also cuts in between the paper like this. And then you can use the lace as well to just make a quick envelope like this. थोड़ा सा इसको सेट करना पड़ेगा, वो भी ऑन कैमरा हो नहीं पा रहा because I'm doing it vertically this time like this. And of course I have the shadow. The shadow cuts out, see, perfectly. So like this, you can just place it like this. 2 of the borders. And वो background में आ जाएगा, same pattern. Looks very beautiful, guys. I hope you are liking it. Any comments, any likes, anything? Thank you, Lorna auntie. Yeah, now I can see some hearts popping. Okay, so now, hi Madhu. Thank you, Shafali ji. The next die is a envelope topper die. This is henna art die, and it is a beautiful topper once again. Look at this. Can you see? Okay, I have not seen the die cut. Look at this. I'll show you the samples also, how I have used them. I'll show them to you, Abhi. I'm late today. Yeah, Gopi, a little late. This is the 6th die, I think, which I'm showcasing. 6th or 7th. Okay, so I'll just come back again with all the dies, okay? So this is one of my favorite dies. Very versatile die. And it can be used in 2 ways. I'll show you my samples, then you will know. So, the next die was literally too much in demand. Okay, I'll just skip that die first, and I'll move to the other die first. So, this die, look at this. This is Slimline decorative frame topper with center. This is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dies. There are 4 dies in this. This frame cuts in between the paper. If you cut it along with the outer frame, then it cuts. It will cut out like this together. Thank you, Alka. So this is the die cut, the outer die cut. Then there is a center. This is another die cut. Then there is a, I don't know what do you call that, medallion or whatever. Insert a cord like this. Okay. So these are, and if you want, you can keep it inside the paper also. Like envelope को आप अंदर भी काट सकते हो इसको. So there are 4 dies. I'll show you how there are 4 dies. See, this is a separate die. This is a rectangle. This part cuts in between the paper. Then there is this. I don't know what is called, moon shaped die, and then there are 2 more dies, 5 dies है actually. ये वाला भी अलग है, इसको भी आप चाहो तो अंदर काट सकते हो पेपर के. This will also cut in between the paper. Same way जैसे मैंने आपको लेस दिखाया था, तो it will make a shadow also. आपके लिए मतलब बैकग्राउंड भी बना देगा. And if you cut it, दोनों को इकट्ठा रख के, then you will get something like this. Yes, the medallion has the shadow. Because this part is separate ना गोपी. ये देखो मैंने डाई को चिपका रखा है टेप से, because my dies are well up. So if you just pass this through the die cut machine, you will get a shadow. Exactly same size का shadow आएगा. Okay. So total 5 dies in this particular die. 5 dies मिलती हैं आपको. And all the dies are already, I have uploaded them on the website. There are in total 13 dies and I think 8 papers. So here, and then this was a really requested die. This is an eyelet lace die. This is a impression die. Look at this. I hope you can see this. I think darker color में थोड़ा सा better दिखेगा. See, this is a cornflower blue color. It is a very beautiful greyish blue color. बहुत सुंदर color है ये. This gives such beautiful backgrounds. Now you will see me use in my what do you call that? Samples a lot. This is the die. This will also come if you just want to give an impression. Remove this outer rectangle and you can just give an impression on your envelope or anything. And if you want to cut it out like this particular piece, then you use both the dies together. So here. And all my dies are perfect to fit on my envelopes. And this is the 10th die, I suppose. layering die. How many of you have been waiting and asking me, Mansi, layering dies kab aane wali hai? And here I am with my most favorite layering dies. This is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies. 5 dies. There are 3 circles in between. The cutout will be either this way if you remove the center circles of the die. If you cut it along with the center circles of the die, you will get something like this. Okay? So, and. First layer, second layer, and where is the third layer? Third layer. I'll show you how it looks after it's made. Look at this. I'll show you. See, first layer, I'll just add the second layer. These are 2 layers together. Okay, and now I'll add the third layer. Third layer. Okay, so this is a die to die for. I can't hold myself. Just let me show you a sample. See? Okay, so these are the 10 dies जो designer dies थी अभी तक. And now let's move on to something very different I have come up with this month. And those are these dies. These 3 wonderful dies. What are these? Any guesses? What are these dies? Can you guess? Anyone? Okay, these are the shadow box dies. Yeah, Alka, these are the shadow box dies. Finally, someone came up. So, 3 sizes. 1 fits perfectly over the envelope. First size. Second size. Third size. So there are basically 3 sizes which fits one inside the other. And the best part about these dies are, like, if you have this die now and you have my double stitch rectangle die. My double stitch rectangle dies fits perfectly on the shadow boxes which I have made. They fit perfectly here. These are 0.25 inches wide, high. Okay, and all my dies fit perfectly. My double stitch rectangle die frames. This is the 1/4 inch frame. Now I'll show you the 1/2 inch frame. See, if you want a broader border for your embellishments or anything, you can use the broader frame also, skipping one die. And it fits perfectly on all 3 sizes, not only one bigger size. This is the second size. I'll show you the frame for this. See, I just made this frame. This is the broader part, and I have used one small frame. And see, the shadow box height is 0.25 inches. It is this height, 1/4 inch high. I can't say about ready-made. Yeah, my ready-made envelopes perfectly it will fit, because my envelopes are perfect size for my dies. My envelope die, the one new envelope die, and my envelopes, they are the same die. So this is the second die, and the third one. See, perfectly it fits. This is a quarter half inch border. This is the quarter-inch border. It fits perfectly. So these 3 dyes are the shadow dyes, shadow box dyes, and they are very easy to make. I will upload a video on YouTube very soon, and I'll do a live also on Facebook to show how to make these. It's very simple to do it. No rocket science in this. This is the cutout, by the way. And yes, this die also, the largest one, fits perfectly in a small Big Shot machine. You do not need a bigger Big Shot for this die. It fits perfectly. Can you share the dimensions of ready envelope die? My ready envelopes are 7.5 inches by quarter to 4 inches. Gopi, 7.5 भी नहीं आता, exactly 7.4 point something आता है. Yes, Monica दी, it makes my life so much easier ना. Shadow boxes बनाने में जान निकलती थी मेरी, हर एक के लिए पूरा measurements करो, वो करो. So I am a very lazy person. I always tell that on my videos, and I always find easier ways to do stuff. So this is my take on making my life easy. Okay, so एक बार डाइज और दिखाऊं या फिर आगे बढ़ूं, सैंपल्स दिखाऊं. So these are the 3 shadow box dies. I'll just give you a quick glimpse. Then this was the 3-way lace die. This was the 3-way lace die, modern lace die. This is my favorite this time. I really like it. वैसे मैं सारियों को बोले जा रही हूँ favorite है. This one is the layering circle die, and I'll show you the layers also just quickly. I have something ready here. I'll show that only. Yeah, this is something. This is the layer. Okay, those who have joined right now, I'll just quickly give a glimpse, and then we will move on to the inspirations. अच्छा, तब तक tell me, you want to do a course? Do you want to learn how to make the inspirations? Can anyone guess the price of the course? Of course, I'm going to do a course for sure. Tutorials? Anyone? Okay, then this was the eyelid border, eyelid topper. Look at this. 1500. Sharda Maheshwari 1500. Shifali Shah. Okay. Deepti Sharma 2000. Rashi Gupta 2500. Who all are joining me? ये बताओ पहले मुझे, कौन कौन join कर रहा है? Then this is the die. $17.50. How many envelopes? यार 15-20 हो ही जाते हैं मेरे envelopes. 15 से तो ज्यादा ही होते हैं हमेशा. And उसके बाद सारा तो फोन भी छोड़ सकती है 2 मिनट के लिए. See, I'll just grab a paper. This is the henna art. चांचल जी 2000 रुपए. 1999. नहीं, मैं 99 में बिलीव नहीं करती, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता 99. 1 रुपया दे दो, 2000 कर लो. ये देखो. And then there is a thank you and best wishes die. अरे die cuts निकाल के दे दो ना बेटा. बोला मेरे को die cuts निकाल के दो. आप फोन छोड़ोगे तो आपको कुछ पता लगेगा ना बेटा. दिखाओगे. The best wishes die, thank you die. प्रीति अग्रवाल 2000 सब 2000 बोल रहे हैं. ये हो चुका सारा. अगर आप सच में अगर देख रहे होते ना तो आपको पता होता. Then this is the Jayamala dye. This is one of my favorite dyes. Though इसमें मैंने इसमें काम कम किया है. I just made I think one of those. सारे हो गए. So all the dyes I have I think showed it to you. सिवाय एक के. This one I guess is left still. This is the Sunburst Sparkle dye with medallion. Okay. So now let's quickly move on to the सारे डाई कट्स को अपने अपने उसमें डाल के एंड वापस रखो. डाई के पैकेट में डालो, डाई कट्स को उसके पैकेट में डालो. ये लो. अब वो वहां से डाई कट उठा लो. Just a moment guys, just give me one moment. I will just come up with the. Okay, so the inspirations. 1000 without kit. अलगा किट तो मैं कभी भी नहीं देती यार. मैं तो डाइस कहती हूँ खरीद लो. इस बार I have thought of something very different which I have never ever tried earlier. So let me just show you first. My first envelope. Nothing too much. Very simple, very elegant. मैं अपने आप बोल रही हूँ किसी को कोई हार्ट भी नहीं आ रहा है एक भी. 80 लोग देख रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं, किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगा. चलो. Second. Okay. Thank you, Gopi. Third. Fourth. This is the fourth one. I have clubbed Purana and Naya dye. This is the old dye from Hexa Lattice. Okay. Now my favorite. This is something different I tried. I have made a shadow box ka. Okay. This is a shaker. I love the color combination. I hope you can see this. And this is an envelope. Okay. This is a box. Shaker done in a shadow box. Yes, I have done it in a shadow box. See the depth. These shakers are perfect for. And look at this. What I have done is I have made a shadow box here and I have kept this thing hollow. And see. So here first second third fourth and fifth. 5. So this box basically holds 5 envelopes, and this is how I have decorated the box. And this is a magnetic box, and it holds 5 envelopes inside, and then you just fold it like this, and it is magnetic. It is just okay. So one is this. Then also I have made one more. This is for Rakhi gifting basically. So you can put in Rakhi and all here, and one chocolate and money here, and you just close it with the ribbon. This is also again with the shadow box. Very simple to make all these boxes now. Okay, one more shaker I have made. I love this maroon color. I was, obsessed doing stuff with this color. Look at this. This is again a shaker. Look at this small potli. I could have done many more projects like this, but somehow now I was like, every other person is doing this stuff, so I really restricted myself कि इस बार नहीं करना, मुझे कम करने projects ऐसे. Rather, इस बार मेरे को ये बनाने का मन था. I have made a lot of plain boxes अभी मेरे पास पड़े हैं. I had made so many of those राधा कृष्ण वाले this thing ना, इकत वाले papers से और बांधनी से. I want to gift those on Rakhi to my bhabis and mami and all ना. So I have made too many of these boxes for gifting purpose. I am gifting everyone 5 envelopes this time when I go on Rakhi. So one more. Look at this in maroon color, and it is again magnetic. See, it opens like this, and let's take out what is inside. See. शादी की बधाइयां. Look at this. This is one of my favorites. I use that die cut, Jaimala wala. Here also. Look at this. I did not use the inside of this one, and this. I love this shade. I really love this shade. And इसमें I have used the smaller part of that lace. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is not a part of the box, but I have made this in maroon only. So these 5 go in the box like this. Then there is a box. So 6 projects तो यही हो गए. 6 projects ये वाले हो गए. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. तो मैंने 22 projects almost बना रखे हैं. So now, who all are ready to join the course? $1,500 fees. Okay, Alka, this time I am taking fees only ₹800. Only 800 rupees as fees. And I will be showing, I will be making all these envelopes and the potli. If you want, I can add a little 2 or 3 more boxes like these. But I think ये हर कोई सिखा रहा है, ये तो आपको आ ही गए होंगे अभी तक. तो envelopes मैं कराऊंगी and briefing कराऊंगी क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें वो नहीं है. It is only 800 rupees for this course this time. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed my launch. I hope I get lots of orders, and yes, there is a discount code. I will just upload the picture right now on Facebook and you can check. I think I'm not sure. Let me just check यार. Sir, diet से नोट खोल के देना. Just give me a moment. I'll give it to you. The coupon and all. Okay, sir. August 10 is the coupon code. August 10 all caps में है. Can you show the papers, please? Yes, sure. Here are the papers. These are the papers from 2 premium colors. These are very beautiful English imported papers. Very beautiful bright colors. This is something which is a little expensive. 325 rupees a pack. Normally मेरे papers 200 to 225 के हैं. 200 के ही हैं अभी तक, तो अब 225 को because बहुत ज्यादा पेपर के prices बढ़ गया यार, नहीं हो पा रहा. Combo for dies is available. ये जो dies हैं, these are for 13,500 for all the 13 dies. And if you take the combo, that is for 12,800 rupees. If you order right now till 16th of August, you can avail पूरे combo पे you can avail 10% discount as well. क्योंकि 10,000 से ऊपर whatever you purchase from DCAM brand only, you get a 10% discount. Use the coupon code August 10. AUGUST 10. It is all caps and no space in between. Then August 7 to avail 7% discount on all orders above 6,000 rupees. And August 5 to avail 5% discount on all orders above 3,500 rupees. तो 3 मैंने कूपन्स निकाले हैं. अगस्त मैं अभी फोटो अपलोड कर दूंगी पेज पे भी और अपने प्रोफाइल पे भी, so you can see. And it is only on DCAM brand, not on the entire website. DCAM brand से कुछ भी लो, नया पुराना कुछ भी. So this is cornflower blue gopi, 225, lilac color. It is not a dull mauve color. It is a very bright lilac color, beautiful lilac color. Canary yellow. इसका कलर सही नहीं आ रहा. It is much better in person. ये वाला भी और ये भी. This is a lime green color. It is not a fluorescent green color. I don't know if fluorescent क्यों दिख रहा है इस पे. This is a teal vibrant blue color. Vibrant teal. नीता अब आप दोबारा देख लेना, मैं 2 बार ऑलरेडी दिखा चुकी हूँ. गार्नेट. This is garnet maroon color, जो उससे मैंने सारे ये वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं ना. This is one of my very favorite colors this time. Even this one. This is such a beautiful color. And ये भी और ये भी. येलो और ग्रीन के लिए मैं अभी इसमें नहीं बोल रही क्योंकि इस बार मैंने काम नहीं किया उस पर. उन 2 कलर्स को मैंने इस बार हाथ ही नहीं लगाया है. So maybe next time I will show something with these colors. But these are all very beautiful colors. ये साथ में ना मतलब इतने वाइब्रेंट और वो लगते हैं ना कलर्स. I तो really love them. See? And right now above 10,000 you can avail 10% discount. Above 6,000 you can avail 7% discount. Above 3,500 you can avail 5% discount. Go on the website. Everything is already uploaded on the website. The banner is there on the website. Home page पे banner दिख जाएगा आपको. मैं अभी वैसे Facebook पे भी upload कर रही हूँ, Instagram पे भी upload कर रही हूँ. And the course is only for 800 rupees. So please message me. और इसमें कोई early bird मैं नहीं डाल रही इस बार course में because already I am charging too low for the course. Okay? So thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye bye.